Today I'm going to be showing you the new share tools with the new Instacard update. First, you're going to start off by opening your Instacard. Next, you're going to go ahead and tap the big share button at the bottom of the screen. Here you'll see the whole new layout for sharing. We have the QR code, you can see a link to your Instacard that you can copy, and we also have these two quick share buttons that you can use, the mail and message. We'll start with message. If you go ahead and tap the messaging icon, that'll open your default messaging program. If you tap the envelope, that's going to open your default mail program where you can either email or text your Instacard. Go back to our share menu. We also have one last button you can click. It's the share button next to the message. If you click that, you can see there's some quick message icons at the top. You can airdrop as well as open messages and mail. You also will see a whole bunch of apps that you have installed on your phone that you might be able to share your Instacard through as well, as long as they allow sharing. You can always email support@realgrader.com.